The Senate Committee on Armed Services held a hearing Tuesday to review the progress of the Defense Department's new efficiencies initiative set forth by Secretary of Defense Robert Gates. The department hopes to reduce unnecessary spending and allocate these savings to more crucial areas.
This is not an effort, as Senator McCain indicated, to reduce the defense budget. This is about shifting resources and priorities within the existing top line.
To put it bluntly, we can't support our troops with the capabilities they need unless we do so.
The department is attempting to do this by tightening service contractors, reducing the number of civilian personnel and senior positions, consolidating information technology infrastructure, eliminating certain oversight reports and studies, and boards and commissions, as well as what the department feels are redundant intelligence organizations and establishments. If successful, the efficiency measures will redirect $100 billion over the next 5 years. But defense budget expert Lawrence Korb at the Center for American Progress says this may be an unrealistic goal.
We've had executives from the largest companies in the world, Ford and General Motors, and they haven't figured out how to do this. Maybe you can't do it.
These are some of the issues the DoD is up against before it sends its final recommendations to the White House for the President's approval. Reporting for the Military Times, I'm Tamarie Astudillo.